Hari ini aku lagi di Erasmus Huis. Ini dia perpustakaannya, luasnya. Kita naik ke atas. Kita baca buku.
Jadi lu bisa langsung ya anak?
Yes.
Ya.
You can sit over there. No. Dari situ. How did you know about this workshop? From your parents?
From Instagram.
From Instagram. From Facebook. From Facebook. Okay. So did you invite any of your friends, or did you come alone? Come alone. So.
Selamat pagi.
Hi everyone. So this is Sabine, and Sabine is the artist, and you'll be doing a workshop with her. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pick your seat. Come on. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, she wants to explain something first. Yes. Okay, so let's stand here. Yeah, let's gather here.
Gather.
Halo, nama saya Sabine. Saya seniman dan peneliti yang batik. Dan hari ini gambar batik motif bersama. So today we are drawing batik motif seperti ini, but we're not going to use wax. So we're using pencil and what is this medium for the stick? Color pens. Yes. So first we're going to sit in groups. Per table can be dua anak-anak dan bersama the parents, and there's small papers, and we're first going to draw a motif. Inspirasi from yourself. So think about something you like, dia, buku, or hewan, or something you find inspiring. You can get inspiration from here as well. And then when you have your drawing finished, I will come again with the next step of the workshop.
Who knows what the motif is?
Maybe you can point out
Ada
motif.
yang tahu motif itu apa?
Tahu tentang batik?
That's
Yeah.
motif.
And a motif can be a pattern, but doesn't have to be repeat. So seperti ini repeat. Tetapi can be different ya, berbeda. Or it can be like this, which is like sea life, like fish. But it can be kecil seperti ini atau besar.
So Sabine, does that basically means that you can draw
Everything
Anything.
can be motif.
so you can draw Hello Kitty or you can draw spider, no?
Iya bisa. Yeah.
Wow.
So everyone can think about something they like or want to draw, and then we're going to make together a batik from it. So first we draw sendiri, but then we're going to put them all together so that we can make a batik design. So yes. And the parents can draw too, yeah.
And does it have to be black and white or can it be color?
Any color.
Any color.
Yes.
Okay, so
There's
you like
normal
pink,
pencil.
right? No, you don't like pink or red. No, or you like blue. Ah.
Suka biru tetapi pakaian.
So you can draw anything you like.
I am wearing batik blue and it has like kutu and butterfly. You can see that it's not necessarily like a repeating, right? But it has the same motif all over. So that's how we're trying to do it.
So we're going to draw first on a small paper. That is to practice.
To practice and to make your own drawing. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Is that clear? Yes. Where do you want to
Maybe
sit?
2 children per table. So that
Mau duduk di mana sini?
Oke. Ngurusin aku doang. Sini.
Iya nih.
Big flowernya itu aja ya.
Ini.
Kakak.
Mau
Kenapa?
bikin 2 atau 3?
Batik.
Batiknya apa? Gambar apa nanti?
Bunga, ini bunga kecil, ini bunga besar. Alien.
Iya, nanti mama mainnya bikin di sini. Gitu.
Alien.
Kakak, you can make 2 or 3
big flower.
This big flower put here. Jadi tengahnya
a little bit bigger because I have to be so small. Yeah.
Iya,
Ini tidak kecil ya.
Iya, nggak apa-apa.
Ya.
Nah, kayak gitu.
Oke, nih. Lebar biar aku dia
2,
tahu
3.
taruhnya di mana. Ini
Ini
buat
flower.
Yes.
Nah, ini buat bunga gedenya.
iya,
3. Ya, ininya kehapus.
Oh, nggak apa-apa nanti biar gitu.
Udah?
And don't go home yet because we have an undian.
Undian apa itu?
So
Garuda Indonesia.
so there is actually there's this bowl and all your names in the bowl, and if your name is being picked out, you get a present.
Wow.
Are you lucky? That's the question, right? I hope you are lucky.
I'm lucky.
Yes.
Of course I'm lucky.
Let's take a picture. Yeah.
Bara, let's take picture, Bara. Let's take picture together.
Aku juga.
Where?
Bara, ayo. Tunggu, ini punya aku juga. Iya, ya.
Okay, we count down now.
Yang pertama, the first one. Okay. I'll hold the bowl. Yes,
Please,
oh.
please, please.
Yusu. Yusu.
Yushu!
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Here you go!
Okay.
The next one.
Momo.
Oh!
Wow, lucky family.
Wow!
The baby is not playing, so let's stay on the running.
The last one! Fingers crossed!
Okay.